you.
I can't imagine my life without her.
Moved you. Even surprised you. Today is a historic day. Lifetime's top 8 of 2008 starts tomorrow on Lifetime. Brought to you by Truvia Natural Sweetener. Honestly sweet.
Oh my goodness.
Our new natural sweetener comes with 0 calories and a clean, sweet taste. It won't insult your intelligence or make your butt look fat. It's the sweetness of the stevia plant.
Oh.
Served straight up, honest.